All right, so here we go. Mom has asked somebody from Clearwater to come to my house and pick up her lawnmower that we brought up here. And so I'm walking through this snowstorm to the back of my property to get a lawnmower. Oh, there. Thanks a lot. That was a crash through there. And we'll see if we can find it. Oh, look. There's the gas lawnmower, and oh, there's her lawnmower. And let's see now. This will probably take me a couple of trips to get it out, because for some fucking reason, Mom needs to have her lawnmower in the middle of winter. Like, fuck, really? So there's the battery. Sorry I didn't store that well. Now, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna drag that out. And, okay, so I'm not gonna be able to do this holding a flashlight in the dark while filming, because I'm gonna have to take that lawnmower over there.